In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Webflow password. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or you're just trying to make it something more memorable, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's get started and ensure you're up to speed on how to easily change your password on Webflow. First, we need to log into your Webflow account. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, look towards the top of your screen at the nav bar. Here, you'll notice an account drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is your gateway to accessing a variety of settings and options for your Webflow account. Once the account menu is open, direct your attention to the profile settings. Clicking here will open up a new page where you can manage personal information related to your Webflow account. Now, within the profile settings, you're going to want to locate the Security tab. This is where all your security settings are, including the option to change your password. After opening the Security tab, look for an option that says Change Password. This is what we're aiming for, so go ahead and click on it. A new prompt will appear, asking you to enter your current password. This step ensures that it's really you who is making this change, and not someone else who might have access to your account. Next, you'll need to type in the new password that you want to use. When choosing a new password, make sure it's strong and secure. It's advisable to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance the security of your account. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like password123 or your birthday. Once you've entered both your current and new passwords, it's time to save the changes. To do this, simply click on the Update Password button. Doing this will finalize the process and update your account with the new password you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Webflow password. Remember, regularly updating your password is a good practice to keep your account secure. If you encounter any issues during this process, it's a good idea to double-check that you're typing your current password correctly or reach out to Webflow's support team for assistance. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and now feel confident in managing your Webflow password settings. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Until next time, take care and happy designing.